Hi guys, I'm back with a new video once again, and I'm coming very frequently right now because I'm able to screen a lot of stocks that you can add to your portfolio, and you can have huge amount of returns for these particular stocks. So this time the stock that I found for you is is a particular stock that has shown very less movement compared to the fundamentals and now has just started to begin moving. Now this stock that I found for you is Dish TV. Now let's directly go to the chart and do as we do it. So I'll first show you the monthly charts. Now if you see the monthly charts, Dish TV, as is visible from this, in 2008 or before that had a level of 140 and probably more before that. Now if I zoom in, now this is purely a technical call. As you can see, the recent high as per the monthly chart was around 117 or say 120, and the low it made was 67. Then again it rose to 100, fell to the bottom of 78, and is now again rising. In technical terms we call it a double bottom. Now since this double bottom has come on a monthly chart and the stock is trying to come up, see previously it made a high of 107. So since it is on monthly chart, this will be probably a long term call or medium to long term call. But because this stock looks positive, I'm hoping that as soon as the levels of 120 are crossed in this particular stock, the stock will absolutely, or rather I should say it will definitely make a high of 150 to 180, because that is what the previous level I'm able to find from this much information, that previously it had levels of 143 something or say 140. So definitely it should be able to go 150 180 in that range. It is going to take some time, but it is a very bullish stock, because as far as this downward movement from the level of 120 is concerned to the levels of 170, that is almost like 40% correction that did not come for genuine reasons. That is why the stock bounced up. Now it is having good support at the bottoms and so technically the chart is very strong, and I'm expecting big moves in the coming few months in this particular stock. So I would suggest that you actually buy this stock and keep it, because I'm also having personal holding in this stock, and this should definitely give you good returns. Right now you can buy it even at these levels, and if it comes down you can average it definitely around the levels of 85, which will be a good support. So you should hold it for long term with a definite stop loss of almost 75. That is like I'm giving you like almost 40% returns with 20 to 25% of stop loss. So you can average it. If it comes down, if the market goes down, you should definitely average it till the levels of 85. Stop loss will be 75 and the targets will be 150 plus. So just hold it, buy it, have a good safe trade, and like, subscribe and share my video so that I can keep upcoming with more good stocks. I'm not discussing the fundamentals because Dish TV is a well-known company. It is a part of NSE 500, so probably there is not much need to check the fundamentals. So considering it a technical call as of now, I would suggest a trade in this. If you may want to know, I'll just check out the daily chart for you. So see, the daily charts immediately show a level of almost 110 rupees. That should come in maybe like 15 to 20 days, more assumingly. It should not take much, because if you compare the previous rally, it started taking movement from the levels of 88 and has continuously gone up to make the high of 110. And as soon as the levels of 110 will be broken, it should definitely rise to the levels of 130 140, because in between there will only be minor resistance at the levels of 120. So just buy the stock, keep it in your portfolio, and have a good trading. All the best. Bye bye.